This is Sagar. He is meeting his friend Rahul after a long time.
Hey Rahul, how are you?
Hey Sagar, not feeling good. I have been facing breathing issues for a while and my doctor recently diagnosed me with asthma.
Oh, I also have asthma.
Really? You seem absolutely fit and healthy.
My doctor advised me an inhaler medication. I have been taking it regularly, as advised. Trust me, I can live a normal life now.
I am also taking some inhaler medications, but I am still not feeling better.
Is it so? Are you following the correct technique while using your inhaler?
Well, I am not sure. Does that make any difference?
Did you know that incorrect inhalation technique can negatively impact your disease control and treatment outcome? Hence, it is important to follow the right steps for using an inhalation device. Steps to use a pMDI correctly. Step 1. Remove the cap from the mouthpiece. Step 2. Hold the inhaler vertically and shake it up and down for 4 to 5 times. It allows proper mixing of the propellant and medicine. Remember, if using a new inhaler or using the device after more than 1 week, spray few puffs into the air away from your face before using or as directed by the manufacturer. Step 3. Stand up or sit up with your back straight. Breathe out through your mouth and push as much air out of your lungs as possible. Step 4. Hold the inhaler in its upright position, with the mouthpiece at the bottom. Step 5. Put the mouthpiece between your teeth, over your tongue and wrap your lips around it. Ensure your tongue is away from the mouthpiece's opening. Step 6. While breathing in slowly and deeply through your mouth, fully press down once on the top of the metal canister of your inhaler. Continue to breathe in slowly and deeply for 3 to 5 seconds. Step 7. Hold your breath to the count of 10 or as long as you are comfortable. Step 8. Breathe out slowly and normally. Step 9. If you take more than one puff, wait 15 to 30 seconds, or as directed by the package insert, before taking the next puff. Then shake the inhaler well and repeat steps 3 to 9. Step 10. Replace the cap on the mouthpiece after you are done. Step 11. If you are inhaling a steroid, rinse your mouth out with water, swish, gargle, and spit. Important things to consider. Place your pMDI device in such a place where you can get it easily when required. Check the expiry date of your pMDI before using it. For ease, write a start date on your canister while you begin using your pMDI. Discard the canister after completing your labeled number of doses. Never try to puncture or break your canister. Always store pMDI at room temperature. Mouthpiece or actuator must be cleaned at least once a week or as directed by manufacturer. Never immerse the canister in water to check the available amount of medicine.